Giovanna, stiamo facendo la prova, sto facendo la prova, vediamo che succede. Ora condivido anche lo schermo e mando in esecuzione qualche cosa, vediamo se tu puoi rispondere.
Good day, everyone. Today we would like to take you on a journey to one of the most fascinating historical and architectural landmarks, the Royal Palace of Edinburgh. It's situated in the Campania region. Let's delve into various elements that make this palace complex, including the English gardens, the park, the royal apartment, the Carolina Aqueduct, the Valley Bridge, the Belvedere of San and the Royal Palace. The Royal Palace of Belvedere also is an extraordinary example of baroque architecture, always being there in the century for the Bourbon. One of the first features of Paris is its 75-foot park over 100 square. The park is home to a series of elegant fountains, cascading waterfalls, and stretching mountain paths. It stretches all the way from the palace to the horizon, creating a grand perspective that's both inspiring and serene. It stretches all the way from the palace to the horizon, creating a grand perspective that's both inspiring and serene. Within the palace itself, visitors can explore a stunning array of rooms and apartments that once housed the royal family. The interior are richly decorated with lavish frescoes, intricate carvings, and ornate furnishing. These spaces, with their incredible details, give us a glimpse into the opulent lifestyle of the former monarchy. English Gardens, located on the west side of the palace, offer a more natural and romantic contrast to the former garden. They feature winning paths, scenic ponds, and rustic structures, providing a peaceful retreat for both visitors and the royal family. Together, the Royal Palace of Caserta, with its majestic park, impressive apartments, and tranquil gardens, Together, the Royal Palace of Caserta, with its majestic park, impressive apartments, and tranquil garden, stand as a symbol of the ambition of the Bourbon dynasty.
Let's talk about the Carolino Aqueduct, an extraordinary feat of engineering and one of the most important elements of the Royal Palace complex. It was built between the 19th and 18th centuries. The aqueduct was designed by Luigi Vanvitelli. Its purpose was to supply water for the fountains and gardens of the palace, as well as the nearby area. The aqueduct is remarkable not only for its technical achievement, but also for the beauty of its design. The aqueduct reached an impressive length of 38 kilometers, and its construction was a monumental task. The water flows through an underground channel emerging at various points along its path, and a series of arches with their elegant proportion and sweeping curves have add a visual grandeur to the landscape. The aqueduct is still functional today, and its importance cannot be overstated. It was one of the most advanced water systems of the time. As we move through the landscape, the valley bridges are another notable feature. This historic bridge spanned the valley of Maddaloni and were crucial for transportation and water management in the area. Their elegant structure is not just a functional aspect of the landscape, but also an architectural masterpiece of the 18th century.
Now, let's talk about the Belvedere Saleos, one of the most breathtaking viewpoints of the area. Located just outside the royal palace, it was designed not only for its strategic location, but also for the ability to create a space where royals could enjoy a moment of relax while taking the beauty of the natural surrounding. From the Belvedere, visitors can admire the huge estate which with its intricate gardens, water features, and grand avenues stretching out in all directions. The Belvedere was often a place of retreat for the royals, offering a peaceful environment away from the main palace. Its design, its design with gardens and terraces reflects the 18th century architecture, or thanks to the close connection between the man-made structures and the natural environment. The location of Vedere also allows stunning views of the nearby royal colony of Salleucio, established by the King Ferdinand IV in the late 18th century. The colony was an utopian experiment focused on the silk production. It was designed to provide
prova.
employment, welfare, and a sense of community. It represents how monarchs could improve life of citizens and economic development.
Today, listeners, I'm Esmeralda Tricuccione.
I'm Alicia
And
Selvaggi.
I'm Marianna Di Nuzzo.
We are students from the High School Manzoni, class terzo DL.
I'm going to talk about the Royal Palace of Caserta. Commissioned by Charles of Bourbon in 1752, the palace was designed by architect Luigi Vannuchelli. It was intended to rival Europe's grandest royal residences such as Versailles and Madrid. The palace has a rectangular layout with 4 internal courtyards divided by 2 central intersecting structures. Originally, the design included 2 semicircular wings meant to embrace the vast square in front of the main facade, softening its appearance. Inside the royal apartment showcase intricate frescoes, ornate stuccos, and period furnishings reflecting the artistic trends of the 18th and 19th century. These rooms offer a glimpse into the lavish lifestyle of the Bourbon monarchy. Spanning approximately 120 hectares, the royal park is a harmonious blend of Italian Renaissance, garden designs, and Baroque grandeur. It features expansive lawns, cascading fountains, and reflective pools, creating a serene environment for visitors. With in the English garden, commissioned by Queen Maria Carolina in the late 18th century, designed by botanist John Andrew Greffer, it emulates the romantic English landscapes of the time, with winding paths, serene ponds, and an impressive collection of exotic plants.
This is the Belvedere of Salleucio. It is a remarkable testament to the 18th century innovation and social experimentation. It is located near Caserta, and this site was transformed by King Ferdinand IV of Aragon from a royal hunting lodge into a pioneer in the silk production. In 1778, the king established the royal colony of Salleucio, aiming to create a self-sustaining community centered around silk manufacturing. This was guided by the Codice of Legge Luciane,